Welcome guys. And today I'm going to show you how you can do the dome puzzle in Rust. So what you'll need to do is find this metal shack next to the dome because our metal shack is where we do our puzzle and swipe our keycard next to the silos right here. So what you'll need to have is fuse and green keycard. So here put your fuse, go around the metal shack right here, turn this switch on, and then just go right here, and after that just swipe your keycard. Here you'll find blue keycard and some fragments of blueprint, and right here you'll find recycler and some loot. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you do dome puzzle. So see you in the next one.